Dude, this is insane. That's gotta be Truck Hill Climb Trail. Oh my gosh, that's Truck Hill.
Are we trying it? We are finally back on the trails. We have been waiting to get out here and get the opportunity to keep exploring some more trails. We're also super stoked because we have our new wheels and tires, and it's going to be fun putting them to the test.
We got Luna. She's going to have some fun too. While we're 4x4ing, she'll get to run around 4x4ing as well. So hopefully we get to do a lot before the sun gets down. We are planning to do as much as we can before we have to go.
All right, let's get to it. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
She's in 4 low. Good girl. Let's go. All right, we're finally getting to it. So why is your door open?
Luna farted. Had to air it out.
Luna.
We're at a crossroads here. We got some options. Definitely not that black diamond. Behind us, we did that trail already. I think it's also a blue. It goes to Lookout. It was cool, but we want to put new miles into the rest of the sun that we have. That's a weird way of saying that, but we're losing daylight.
We are definitely going to need mud flaps. We keep saying it, but we need to just do it. All right, let's get to it.
Let's go. Show it away.
All right, for a little perspective here, I think these are the trails that we just came up. So beautiful. I love overlooking the mountain and seeing the canyon.
Dude, this is insane. That's gotta be Truck Hill Climb Trail. It's like zoom. Then it kind of eases out, but then it is a black diamond. Ooh. First mud flaps.
And then we gotta try it?
We have to. Oh my gosh, that's Truck Hill. Oh my gosh.
Are we trying it?
Let's walk it. Let's walk it. Hey, but if we go all the way up, we can't come down it, right? Wow. It doesn't look tall in the camera, but it is. Okay, I'm gonna run up it. Let's see what we do. It's actually not even gravel or rocks, it's like sandy. Maybe we don't need those mud flaps. Oh my goodness, I'm not even halfway there.
What do you think? Can we do it?
I think we can do it because yes, we can. So we gotta try it.
I think we have to try.
This is me holding the phone perfectly to actual horizon. This is insane. People come up here and we need to do this. But I'm just gonna try and run it up just to see where this leads us. Crazy. Made it. I'm out of breath. I'm all the way at the top M is down there. Should we try this? Is this a good idea? Is that the yes we can way though, to doubt ourselves? Yes we can, we have to. Do you think we should do this?
Absolutely. Let's try this.
I'm already up here, so you have to pick me up though.
Run down.
Oh, all right. Yep, Luna is 4x4ing right now. She's probably done with all this craziness.
Okay, how you feeling?
Not ready, but first time for everything.
I think we're gonna know pretty quickly by the approach how it's gonna go.
I'm gonna do 50% first.
Yeah, that's great. Godspeed. And the windows are down. It's gonna be so dusty. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. You guys just saw that whole cloud of dust going through the mountain. And I think our windows are down. So we're gonna have to take a trip to detailing this thing. Luna was probably like, what the heck is going on? What was your reaction?
Okay, it was actually not that bad. There's a divot up there I just dug myself into.
Yeah.
But I feel like I could do it. That looks like maybe halfway. It gets steeper from there, but
No, you were definitely.
you can see where I dug a hole.
Yeah, there was like a whole cloud of dust. I could just see your taillights.
Oh my
And then
God.
it just was a whole cloud of dust going through the mountain.
Note to everyone, close your windows.
I did say we're gonna have to clean that thing up 'cause I think his windows are down.
All right, that was 50% confidence. That's 100% confidence.
All right. Oh, he's gonna make it. He's giving some victory horn beeps because we can't see anything with all the dust, but he did it. That was awesome.
Oh my God. This is insane going down. Oh my God. We are at 30 degrees maxed out on the inclometer. Whoa. Wow, it's just dragging me over. Are you on calm?
Yep.
Yo, that was a little scary there.
I think I got it on camera. I also just feel like that you can't go too slow or you're gonna start to slide. Good job, baby.
I'm gonna victory lap it. Woohoo! Woohoo! How did it feel? I think that was 99% luck, 1% skill. But that 1%, up at the very last moment, I was like sliding a little bit. I was like, I can't give up now. I'm so close. Wow. It just doesn't look like that on camera.
Good job, baby. That was awesome.
Wow. We needed that trial run that first time. And I chose a different line because I put my left wheel not in that rut. Yeah, coming down was scarier. Yep, when I went sideways. I've never driven on snow like that. And this is so steep that it's like, oh, if you go too slow, you're going sideways.
Yeah. Hey, that's what I was saying about how when we would do that first run,
Yeah.
you're going to tell what you need to adjust and what you're going to need to
absolutely.
do. So the second time.
It is still scary to do it again because going down was scary. Going up was like perfectly, like if you don't make it, you just back up.
I think I got the sideways, not on this camera, but on my phone.
Oh.
So we'll see. I think this was too far like zoomed out, but
Oh
I'll
my
have to show
gosh,
you.
it was crazy.
That was awesome. Good job,
Hey,
Chan.
Yes, we can. Luna, what do you think about that? You're in the car, the truck. Oh, okay, interview over.
It's starting to get dark, so we're going to put our rock lights on, and no, we did not get a switch just yet.
Is that white or yellow?
That is white.
All right, that's the color we're choosing. Hey, you don't have your comms on.
Thank you.
And that there is our last obstacle. Exit signs ahead. Let's get out of here.
We are ending this day in the best way possible with Taco Tuesday.
Got 6 tacos, super burrito. We earned this. Truck Hill. This is our victory meal right here.
Well, we're gonna eat this, but thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. We're really trying to get to 10K subscribers before the end of 2026.
All right.
Yes, we
How's
can.
this? Yes, we can.